When I think about the future, I see a better place where everyone can coexist safely. When I think about the future, I see my favorite face. 'Cause when I'm with you, the rest is all easy, baby. Hand in hand, we'll make them understand our dream. Working as a team.
If we plot the right maneuvers, we'll chart a course to win.
And blow up any cunts who would fight us. Yeah, wish that I had seen it sooner, but it's time that we begin to prevent the war and find a way to unite us.
These overlords are tough, but with our expertise,
We can stop the V's.
Yeah.
Soon I'll be up there, the one and only true God. No more playing house once they're devout. I won't need a squad. Climb the stairway up to heaven live on every TV. Always knew the guy they're praying to was gonna be me. Once I get up there,
You will fuck it up.
Just what?
You'll never fill your cup. You're broken from the start. No victory will ever be enough.
we'll see who's smiling in the end. I won't even gloat. You can say your last I told you so while I slit your throat.
Val, don't be dramatic. He's just a man. He's being rude 'cause he's stressed out trying to do his master plan. Think about the future, Val. Don't let success break up the band. But as he rises higher, things aren't like they were before. And if he glows any brighter, will he see me anymore?
Fox is an asshole.
Right?
He's been a cunt.
He's being such a dick.
If he thinks that he can cut us out, fuck him. Just being blunt. Once we rule all creation, he'll pay for this little stunt. And maybe then he'll chill again and realize who he missed. Now let's show those stuck-up pricks in heaven who's the baddest bitch.
What's going on? How'd I get stuck in this scary box? Oh boy, this is bad. Charlie's gonna be so mad.
They're about to know who they're dealing with. Every one of them, no one gets to live.
Is my halo on? I'm gonna shit my pants.
What the fuck is wrong? This battle is our chance.
Storm's coming, I'm so fucking scared. What's gonna happen when we go down there?
You don't deserve your dad's crown.
I know there's no stopping it now. A hard rain is gonna fall down like gravity, like gravity.
When I think about the future, my mind is filled with dread. A screaming conscience I can't silence.